What's happening, crew? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. We have some fun, exciting things to talk about. I've been hiding for 5 months. I took a break from content creation because my business wasn't doing so well. Long story short is I started my business last year. It's a new concept for boat owners because most boat owners take their canvas to shops over the winter and they don't understand that that's what I'm here to change. In a mobile marine canvas repair business, I am changing ideas. And those ideas come with consequences. Consequence here was not everybody understands what I do. And that's okay though, because this brand right here is going to be a staple in their forehead. Change minds and hearts all over the world. Well, maybe just my state or maybe just my city for now. But we have a lot of cool shit coming. Whoops, I didn't say shit. Damn, I said shitty. Just seeing if people think I'm funny or not. What's gonna happen now for me and my business? Well, it's not the end, I'll tell you that, because I don't quit. And I quit a job that I was at for 14 years to go and do this exact right here. And I'm not gonna stop until I succeed. So succeeding to me, success to me is this here was a dream. Now I'm gonna put to reality. I'm okay with that because I'm gonna be successful at this. So locally, I'm gonna be a repair business. And with repairs comes content. And with content comes more videos. With more videos comes more subscribers. More subscribers makes me happy. Just look for this right here. It's the only one of a kind right there. Probably gonna have to copyright that. So when I get big, nobody steals it. But I'll be dropping a video next week on a repair job that I'm doing right now. A lot of boat owners don't know or think that they can keep their canvas even if it looks really bad. And that's what my business does. So I bring you canvas work that most companies probably would tell you it needs to be replaced because either A, they're too lazy to do it, or B, they just want the bigger check. And I just want to be known for the guy that can fix stuff and save you some money. And please like, follow, and comment. Give me a thumbs up. Really help my page out. Thank you to all those subscribers that I do have. And I appreciate you. And I love you guys. On Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, it's all Seaside Sewing Co. Just look for this right here. Again, love you, crew. And I'll see you on the water.